Once again, we got a big 4x4 coming through here. Couldn't handle it, that sand, boy. Trying to get our metal building put in. Look. Unfortunately, that's what happens out here, baby, when we try and get stuff done. All right, guys, it's getting dark. Unloading all the pieces for the metal building. This is the pad that it's gonna sit on. 15 by 18. It's getting dark, so we'll probably just get unloaded today and continue with work tomorrow. Working on that foundation, drilling the holes. More pieces on the project. That's the roof. The base. Perfect. Check it out, it's coming together, guys. Got the back side, left side done. I'll finish covering that up, keep them critters out. Back side. And now the other side. It's looking good. It's looking good, coming together. Coming together. Coming together, guys. Looking good. It's gonna be the TSN storage facility. 15 by 18. Nice size. Nice room. Looking good. Let's go. All right, guys, it's your boy D Finley closing out, baby. DIY project done in one day. 15 by 18 trendsetter storage. That's where we're gonna be storing cables and stuff like that. Plus obviously the lawn equipment used to take care of the lot. Just giving you a quick walk around. Completed, took about 4 hours. We got the same color scheme to match the RV carport over there. Backside, as you can see, we've got all the bottom leveled. Critters can't get in from the bottom. Might be able to get in from the top or so, but we'll continue to focus and work on that. There it is. Give you a walk around the inside real quick. All right, we're going to the inside. Again, 15 by 8, 9-foot ceilings. Really deep, so it's perfect for what we need. The stuff we need to store. It's perfect for our business. The roll-up garage door, 6 feet wide by 8 feet tall. So that's perfect to get cart, whatever we need. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And from the outside, the garage, the roll-up garage. So let me stand back. So again, guys, appreciate y'all for stopping through. Like, comment, subscribe. Again, your feedback is always appreciated. So again, thank you for hollering at Daily Vets channel. We appreciate you. Yeah, tell your friends about us. This is what we do. We're gonna continue to move on. So we out. Peace.